Hello, welcome all. Today we have a new pattern available at my Etsy shop. It is in the link in the description of the video. You can find the link to the Etsy shop. The pattern is a hoodie t-shirt for Blythe doll. A little hoodie t-shirt, because I also have another pattern with big hoodie t-shirt that covers all the head. Wait a minute and I will find it to show you. This is the other pattern that you will find, and the sewing class is free at my YouTube channel. This is a big hoodie t-shirt that covers all the head. And I have been sewing these t-shirts for the last 3 years, and I would like to show you the other t-shirts that I made. For example, this one I used 3 different fabrics. 4. One for the front, another for the sleeves, another for the hoodie, and for the strips. Also, we have this one is made in only one fabric, stripped fabric, to make this effect. This one is also made in one fabric, hoodie t-shirt, sleeves and front in only one piece. Also this with pandas, this siren cat, unicorn print, some winter inspiration, and some pirate print. I have several outfits that I made with these hoodie t-shirts. For example, with leggings. You can find also the pattern at my Etsy shop and the description here in the channel. Hope you like it, and I'm waiting you to keep sewing new projects. Subscribe. Have a nice day.